Today, guys, we're gonna be feeding these little chickens. That is, I forgot what her name is. I only have female chickens. That is Rainbow. That is, I forgot. So let's just hand in the noodles. You want some noodles, mister? Come on, take the noodles. Come on, take the noodles. Take my nuts. All the chickens are eating that. I think that spot, we have a lot of white chickens too. Oh yeah, I just remembered that one. That one's buffing. Okay, there you go. That's all mine. Now here is my dogs. Again, here's Blaze again.